In the hustle and bustle of today's professional world, time-saving kitchen appliances have become a necessity, not a luxury. They are the unsung heroes in our daily grind, helping us whip up nutritious, home-cooked meals in a flash, even when our schedules are packed to the brim. Imagine this. You've had a long day at work, you're tired and hungry, and the last thing you want to do is spend an hour slaving over a hot stove. This is where these time-saving kitchen appliances come into play. With their help, you can effortlessly create a variety of dishes, from hearty breakfasts to healthy dinners, without spending hours in the kitchen. These appliances are not just about speed, though. They also give us the freedom to experiment with different recipes, expanding our culinary horizons while still keeping pace with our busy lives. And who doesn't love a gadget that makes life a little bit easier? Now let's dive into the top 3 kitchen appliances that are absolute game changers for busy professionals. When it comes to time-saving kitchen gadgets, 3 appliances stand out: the Instant Pot, the Air Fryer, and the Slow Cooker. First up is the Instant Pot, a multi-cooker that can do the job of 7 different kitchen appliances. It's a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, and warmer all rolled into one. Talk about versatility. This device is perfect for those one-pot meals, like soups, stews, or chili. Not only does it cut down on the number of dishes you have to clean, but it also significantly reduces cooking time. For instance, you can cook a whole chicken in just 20 minutes. Plus, its user-friendly interface makes it a breeze to use, even for culinary novices. Next, we have the Air Fryer, a compact device that uses convection to circulate hot air around your food. The result is a crispy, fried-like texture without the excess oil. It's perfect for those who enjoy the taste of fried food but want to keep things on the healthier side. From chicken wings to French fries to even baked goods, the air fryer does it all. And the best part? It's quick. Most meals are ready in under 30 minutes. Last, but certainly not least, we have the slow cooker. This appliance is the epitome of set it and forget it. You can prepare your ingredients in the morning, throw them in the slow cooker, and come home to a hot, ready-to-eat meal. It's great for dishes that benefit from long, slow cooking like pot roasts or pulled pork. Not to mention, it's incredibly easy to use. Just toss in your ingredients, set the time, and you're good to go. While each of these appliances has its unique features, they all share one key benefit: making your life easier and your meals tastier. Whether you're a busy professional juggling multiple tasks or a home cook looking to simplify your cooking routine, these 3 kitchen gadgets are sure to revolutionize your culinary experience. Now that we've compared these devices, let's recap the key features and benefits of each. Firstly, the Instant Pot. This multifunctional cooker is a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, and more, all in one. It's the ultimate time saver, reducing cooking time by up to 70%. Imagine coming home to a fully cooked, healthy meal without having to keep an eye on the stove. With its easy-to-use controls, you can set it and forget it. Plus, its energy efficiency makes it a green choice for eco-conscious cooks. Next up, the Vitamix blender. This high-powered device isn't just for smoothies. It can heat soups, make dough, and even churn butter. The Vitamix offers precision control, allowing you to adjust the speed to achieve a variety of textures. Plus, its self-cleaning feature means you can clean up in less than a minute. It's not just a blender, it's a versatile kitchen tool that takes the strain out of meal prep. Finally, the Breville Smart Oven Air. This countertop appliance does much more than toast bread. It can air fry, roast, bake, slow cook, and even dehydrate. With its Element IQ technology, it adjusts the heat distribution for perfect results every time. Plus, its super convection setting reduces cooking time by up to 30%. It's like having a personal chef that knows exactly how you like your food cooked. Each of these appliances offers unique advantages. The Instant Pot excels at set-it-and-forget-it cooking, the Vitamix transforms meal prep into a breeze, and the Breville Smart Oven Air gives you precision and versatility in a compact package. They all share a common goal: to save you time and simplify your cooking process. In the end, the best kitchen appliance for you depends on your individual cooking habits and preferences. But one thing is certain: with these devices in your kitchen, you're sure to enjoy more delicious home-cooked meals no matter how busy your schedule may be.